my loves, what's up guys? So talking about the season, it's really been a long time I've vlogged like this. Like it's literally been a long time I've vlogged, but I'm super happy to be back, creating content, vlogging, lifestyle, content. Okay, so what's up guys? Today is Sunday 28th of what's happening. Say hi to the vlog and tell us your name. They're not hearing you. Anyway, guys, I'm really filming with my back camera. My hand is paining me.
You see in the house, in the building. Her name is Melvino.
And our personal chauffeur, Ogano, in the building. So guys, we're actually heading now. Like I said before, today is 28th of October, right? Oh, sorry, December. No. I can never turn back. No, it's already too late. 30th of December, guys. So we're going to Echo Atlantic. Like I've not really been to that place, so I really want to. Whenever I'm going to VI, I used to pass that side, but I really want to. I don't know if they have a beach there. I really don't know, but we are going there right now just to have some fun. And from there we're going to go to Zenith Park. There's this place here in Lagos at Echo Hotel roundabout. They used to design Zenith Park. Like Zenith Park used to spend so much money, trying to set up Christmas tree lights, and that place is really so beautiful at night. So when we're done with Echo Atlantic, we'll be going over there, just vibes, have some fun, and yeah. So I'm gonna guys along. Please like this video, okay? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So here is my bag. I have a lot of stuff inside this bag, guys. Hi people, so we are actually here at the Echo Atlantic, and this place is so beautiful. This place used to be former bar beach. But the amount of money they spent on this place, like, I don't know how to describe this place. It's so beautiful. That's the sea there. That's the sea behind me. I think I've shown you guys already now. So, but there's nothing much happening here. There's nothing much. People are just coming here to probably for pictures, and they don't really allow people to come here. In fact, I had to tell security man, just for sightseeing, he had to allow me, allow us to come inside here. But when I got here, I saw a lot of people here just trying to take pictures. But yeah, it's so beautiful. They really spend money. I don't know, this is our government there, the kind of money that they spend for this place. I don't know, you guys didn't really see the video to understand what I'm talking about. It's called Echo Atlantic. Let me just show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So like I said before, this is former bar beach, and what I'm being curious about is how they were able to push the beach water forward to that seawall I showed you guys before, because you see all these surroundings right here is actually bar beach, right? If you're in Lagos very well, you will know bar beach. It's a very popular beach those days, like those years. So how they were able to fill a big water, a big beach, and then turn it to a road like this, beautify it very well, is what I'm so curious about. Like the amount of money they spent on this place. Look at the massive land. Like you cannot just imagine how they were able to push the water forward to achieve something like this. And at the end of the day, they keep saying that Nigeria does not have money. It is well. Hi people. So our next stop is actually at Landmark. This place used to be a beach before, until they sold it. There was a time it was really rampant on the internet that they sold the beach this landmark bridge. Hope you guys can hear me clearly because I don't have my mic on with me, but I'll try as much as possible to shout, you know, to increase the volume of my voice so you guys can hear me clearly. So after we've left the Eco Atlantic and we are somewhere here in Landmark, my kids are already having fun already. So I want to see where I can get water because water here is so expensive. Oh my god, you guys, I feel so happy vlogging again though. It's very important my camera vlogging. I'm so happy that I'm vlogging once again. Yeah. So I want to create content right now, you guys. That's why I'm stepping out. I want to create content for you guys. I want to create for Instagram and TikTok. Please follow me on my social media platform. Unusual Miss B. Yes, on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, guys. Unusual Miss B. I'm gonna create content, you guys, and I'll speak to you all later. What's up, guys? So we are done with Landmark. Our next stop is actually at Zenith. That lighting at Zenith, so that Zenith Mali, you know, set up every December. So I want to go there right now. I wanted you know the day to look so dark, so by the time they on the light, you know, to be more beautiful, right? So that's what we are heading to right now, you know. And then when we're done with that one, we go to our house. So that's the last activity we have for now. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up right now, please. This is the first vlog for this channel, I guess, right? So please, guys, like the video if you're enjoying it. Subscribe to the channel. Please drop your comments. It's very, very important to me. Comments, give the thumbs up in the comment section if you're enjoying this vlog. It's late, so it's already, it's like almost 7 p.m. and we are still outside here. Yes, my kids still want to have some fun and we are going there. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
All right, people, talk to you later. Yeah, this is where I'm talking about here. This is the lights here that Zenith Bank normally, you know, sets up every Christmas. Yes, the junction. You guys might see this on, you know, on the internet now. So this is it here. Let me zoom it. It's always so beautiful, you guys. Can you see it? Yeah, it's so beautiful. Very, very beautiful. This is their head office. Yes. Zenith Bank head office here in Lagos. If you guys can see the building, this high building here. Yeah, so that's their head office in Lagos. It's so beautiful, you guys. Now for front though.
You never reached that just I did.
I will never reach there.
Yeah, that's still.
Can you guys see? It's so beautiful.
And this
Like, you guys, this is so cool. Can you imagine? Wow. Low battery. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. We're having some fun. Anybody finish work for you? Anybody finish work? Yes. Oh my god, you guys, we had so much fun and we are going home right now. Man, what's a day? Like literally, what's a day? This place is so dark. I don't think you guys are seeing my face properly, but it is what it is. Many banks spend so much money. If I say now our debit alerts, what the alert will they debit for our account?
Debit too much.
They debit too much. I mean, then the command go is can go to light. Just joking, I'm not sure.
It's not a lie.
It's not a lie, Sha, but then
It's customer money.
that's so now. See, go carry money puts. They invested so much on that light. Like it's beautiful anyway, but then the money is a lot. It's a lot. Oh my goodness. We had so much fun today. Like you guys, we had so much fun. And I'm so happy that finally I came to this Zenith Bank. These are light set up. I've wanted to come to this place all this while, you guys. I'm so happy that I finally came here. Okay, I'm going to go our house, so we don't to enjoy today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end the vlog from here. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much. This is the first vlog for this channel. And I'm so excited that I'm back to vlogging again. Alright people, I want to see you guys in the next video. Stay fabulous and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will talk to you guys much later. Kisses.